Before I start this video, I just want to say thank you so much for the support that I've been getting on my last video. I really appreciate it. I'm back on this YouTube thing now. I'm not 100%, but I'll upload when I can, and there'll be plenty more content coming, so just like, comment and subscribe and keep sharing with all your friends. And yeah, onto the video. What is up, guys? Wait, did I already say that? I ain't too sure, but yeah, in today's video I'm going to show you how to change your panel filter for a Ford Fiesta Mk6. Now it's fairly simple to do. As you can see, I'm showing you that that's another inlet intake pipe thingy, yeah, and then you got one screw there, and then you got another screw there. I don't know what size it is. I just use pliers to undo it because I ain't really got that much tools. But yeah, you got your another intake there, so you're gonna need to unscrew those two bolts and take off the intake and the breather pipe, and yeah, you should be all good. Now on to step 2. So yeah, what I used was just a regular old pliers. You just regular one. And then what I was gonna do is just unscrew this bolt here. I don't think anyone has ever changed the filter on here. It was rusted hard. Yeah, it took a while for me to unscrew it, but yeah, I just speeded up the video. And you can see me struggling. Like, that was, look at the rust on that bolt. God damn. So yeah, take one out, and then we got the second one to do now. So we unscrew that. Now let me tell you, that was tight. That was tight, brother. Anyway, yeah, keep unscrewing, and then yeah. Alright, so we're gonna take off this intake tube here. Yeah, this little clamp was in the way. Yeah, I don't know where to put the hose, but yeah, I just left it there. And we take off that one over there. You have this little Jubilee clip. But yeah, man, try to undo that real quick, get me. And then, yeah, it was kind of a struggle still. But yeah, you just undo that and you just pull it off. So once the hoses are off, you just go on and pull the filter box right up. Yeah, and just off the socket and whatnot. And then yeah, the breather pipe had a lot of oil in it, so I'm not really too sure, or grease, I'm not sure, but you gotta remember to give that a clean. It's right there, just next to the oil cap. Alright, so you're gonna start tugging and pulling on the air box, because at the back, near to the wall, firewall, whatever you want to call it, yeah, there's like these two little stubs, and then you want to pull it up, but be careful because it's plastic, so just take your time. And yeah, this is how the engine bay looks without the filter on, or the box on. Those are two stubs I was talking about. They're kind of like stiff, and I think that's like the spark plug and the fuel rails right there and whatnot. But yeah, as you can see, the engine is dirty, so you want to give that a clean. And yeah, in my opinion, I prefer it without the box on it, to be honest. So your air box should look like this once it's off the car. And then yeah, look how dirty the box is. This is what we're breathing in. And yeah, once you flip it over, you got a bunch of screws to take out. In total, you got 10 screws. You got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah, you got 10 screws. So now you just take out the screws. That's all, simple. Okay, so once you take out all the screws, you are gonna wanna look how dirty it is. Like, the filter box is just so dirty. But yeah, after that you're just gonna that's how you take out the filter. But for the rest of the video, as you can see, I'm just gonna give it a clean, because look at all that dirt. That's what we're breathing in when anytime I turn on the blower in the car, whatever it's called. But yeah, so I'm just gonna give that a clean. I'm gonna give this filter a clean because it's dirty. Look at that dirt, it's dirty as fuck, bro, dirty. So yeah, I don't have a spare filter at the moment, so I'm gonna give that a clean. Use compressed air or just wash it. And then look at all the moths and all that bugs, insects and that. Ew. Anyway, so yeah, I'm just gonna give that a clean. So as I was giving it a clean, there's this little sponge where the breather pipe goes, and look at all the grease and the oil and that. I don't understand how oil got in the breather pipe, but yeah, because it goes in the engine as well. Oh yeah, that's why. But yeah, make sure you want to give that new sponge. As you can see, I got a little sponge there in the corner. I'm just going to replace that. You can use any sponge. And yeah, I'm just getting all the excess dirt out of the filter before I start spraying it up and washing it and whatnot. And yeah. After you're finished giving your filter a good scrub, you're gonna wash it out with just any water, and then you just use a towel, you dry it up, or you can let it dry overnight. But I'm pretty impatient, so I'm just gonna use a towel. Yeah, you just get all the excess water out, because it's a bit fiddly and there's a lot of crevices and corners within the filter. Now that's when you place the filter back in. It looks a bit, man, fam, it will do, fam, it will do. Okay, so when you finish screwing in your filter back up together, you're gonna wanna do the opposite of how you took it off. So you're gonna put the filter box back onto the two stubs at the back near the firewall. And then you're going to put your two intake pipes in, and don't forget to put your breather pipe in as well, because that's really important. If you don't put the breather pipe in, then your engine's not really going to breathe, and that's going to be a problem in the future. Okay, so once everything is back together, you're going to want to get into your car, and then you're going to start the engine. You're going to give it a couple revs so that the air can flow through the airbox into the engine. You should hear like a nice little grumble sound. That's what you want to hear at the end of the whole everything. Now when you get into your car, you're gonna turn it on full blast, cold, make sure it's blowing right. Don't feel it, my hands are dry, but ignore that. Make sure everything's all good, and yeah, all good, simple, done. 10-minute job, easy. Thanks for tuning into this video. Please leave a like, comment and subscribe, and peace. Also, I have a stock exhaust, but I can hear like little pops and that anytime I rev it. Like, listen.